Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel English with Bhanu. So you must be surprised after watching these videos and you must have already understood what is this video is all about. So this video is completely in this video I have brought 40 daily useful sentences. Please, if you want these kind of videos, please just let me know as soon as you watch videos in the form of comments. Okay, I will try to bring this kind of videos every single day. Okay, yeah, in this video I'm going to let you know 40 daily useful sentences. Take a book and just whatever the sentences I have already written here, just write in your book and just try to use them in your daily life every single day, which is really going to help you a lot. Okay, yeah, so without wasting our time, let's see what are the 40 daily useful sentences I have brought in today's video. Before I start explaining each and every sentence, it is my humble request, please do like and share and subscribe to my channel. I'm very near to 40,000 subscribers. Okay, yeah, without wasting our time, let's see what is the first sentence. See, these are the 40 daily useful sentences I have brought here. The first sentence could be, I speak English every day. I speak English every day. Next, I don't waste my time. This is the second sentence. I don't waste my time. Okay, you can also just observe the tenses, what tenses I have been using while sentence formation. Okay, third sentence is, I don't disturb others. I don't disturb others. Next, the fourth sentence, I don't want to become a lawyer. Here you can use, I don't want to become a teacher. I don't want to become a YouTuber. I don't want to become a farmer. Okay, whatever the sentence, just change the object. Next, fifth sentence, I used to tell lies. Here the structure used to. Okay, next, seventh, I don't take non-veg. This is the seventh sentence, I don't take non-veg. And seventh sentence, I am busy now. If somebody asks you what are you doing, you can say I am busy now. Okay, so this is the seventh sentence. And the eighth sentence, I was busy yesterday. See, here I am busy now and I was busy yesterday. Here we were talking about yesterday. How were you yesterday? How were you yesterday? I was busy yesterday. Next, I will be busy tomorrow. How will you be tomorrow? I will be busy tomorrow. Okay, next, we will be in Hyderabad tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be in Hyderabad. Okay, next, I never comment others. This is the 11th sentence, I never comment others. Okay, next, I love music. I love playing guitar. I love speaking English. I love going out. I love teaching. I love helping others. You can use whatever the sentence you want. Okay, next, I should go now. I should go now. I should ask help now. I should watch now. I should teach now. I should speak English now. So just replace by using this sentence with other sentences. Okay, next, we go to college daily. We watch movies daily. Next, we may help them. So these are the 16 sentences. Few more sentences you can watch. Okay, yeah, so if you see the 17th sentence here, we are staying in Hyderabad now. They are staying in Hyderabad now. You can use according to the situation. Okay, next, we don't speak English. They don't speak English. She doesn't speak English. Okay, next, 19th sentence, we should maintain discipline in our life. You should maintain discipline in your life. They should maintain discipline in their life. Okay, next, 20th sentence, we should have asked him. You should have asked me. I should have informed you. Okay, so these are the very useful sentences which you need to use in your regular life. Okay, we may help them. You may help them. I may help them. Next, we can do that work. You can do that work. She can do that work. Next, we can't help you. I can't help you. You can't help me. We can't help them. Okay, so likewise, all these sentence please try to write somewhere and use it in your daily life every single day. Okay, next, we will watch a movie tomorrow. They will watch a movie tomorrow. I will watch a movie tomorrow. Okay, next, we are in Delhi today. You are in Hyderabad today. I am in Hyderabad today. Next, we were in Chennai yesterday. I was in Chennai yesterday. You were in Chennai yesterday. Okay, next, do you want to speak to me? Does she want to speak to me? Do you want to speak to them? Do you want to speak to my father? Do you want to speak to my mother? Next, do you need my help? Do you need my help? So these are the sentences. Still there are few more sentences. Please keep writing all these sentences somewhere. Okay, let's see here few more sentences. 29th sentence. Do you speak English? Do they speak English? Do I speak English? Does she speak English? Okay, next, do you watch movies? Do they watch movies? Do I watch movies? Do you watch movies? Okay, next, 31 sentence. Do you go to college regularly? Does she go to college regularly? Do I go to college regularly? Do we go to college regularly? Next, do you like music? Does she like music? Do I like music? Do they like music? Next, do you help me? Does she help me? Do we help them? Next, do you want to become a doctor? Do I want to become an IAS officer? Do you want to become a teacher? Do they want to become a police officer? Okay, next, don't you speak to me? Doesn't she speak to me? Don't I speak to you? Okay, next, don't you play chess? Don't I play chess? Don't we play chess? Doesn't she play chess? Next, don't you take coffee? Don't I take coffee? Don't we take coffee? Next, don't you tell lies? Don't I tell lies? Doesn't he tell lies? Doesn't she tell lies? Next, don't you learn English? Don't you speak English? Don't you talk English? Don't you play chess? Don't you play carom? Don't you play volleyball? Whatever. Next, last 40 sentences. Don't you teach English? Okay. So, what are the sentences I have given in today's video? By writing clearly on board, please come closer and write down all these sentences. Watch again and write down all these sentences somewhere in a book. And whenever you get any situation without learning grammar, just start applying these sentences directly. If you frequently keep on applying all these sentences, definitely this will really going to help you. You know, when I was a beginner of learning this English language, I used to do the same activity, but here I wrote on a board. But when I was a beginner, I used to write in a book. And after writing in a book, whenever I came to know, okay, this is the exact situation, in this situation I have to use these kind of sentences, immediately I used to apply without wasting other people, without waiting for other people, without wasting my energy and time. Because time is very important. Once this time pass, you will never get the same time again. Okay, so please remember, I'm just putting a lot of efforts from my end. So every single day, if you like this kind of videos, definitely I will keep on coming. Definitely these kind of simple sentences which we use in different situations. Okay, so please let me know if you need these kind of videos. Just let me know in the form of comment box. I will see you in the next video with the same these type of videos again. Okay, yeah, hope you guys really like this video and hope you guys really learn lot of new sentences from this video. And also I'll come with vocabulary and antonyms, synonyms, and also new idioms, phrases, and everything. Okay, and some real life structure as well. Okay, yeah, so please keep on supporting my channel and please keep on encouraging me. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video if you like this type of content with one more interesting concepts. Okay, till then you guys take care and keep learning and keep improving your English. I will watch you in the next video. Bye.